It's just rosewater.
It's fine. Hi everyone, I'm Nikki and this is Sheetal, the founder, the CEO of Apsara Skincare and a scientist in human genetics. Today we have a very quick video for you, a homemade glycolic acid remedy to fade dark spots, discoloration and hyperpigmentation. I think Sheetal, by the way, hello Sheetal.
Hello, Nikki. Don't ignore me.
I'm sorry, you are not one to be ignored. No one can ignore you. I think hyperpigmentation is the #1 issue that everybody is dealing with.
You're so right. It's right up top with hair issues. Oh dear. But hyperpigmentation, dark spots, discoloration. A lot of people are, bothered by it and they want to know what to do. Now, unfortunately, what most people or many people have done or are considering is to go into a med spa sort of setting and get these chemical acid, glycolic acid peels, a series of them, and that is a very scary scenario because these can backfire. I get emails pretty routinely from people who have tried these peels and they have only worsened their skin situation. The hyperpigmentation is now looking worse, the skin is dry, sensitive to sun, lines and wrinkles in that scenario can appear also prematurely. So not such a good situation. And then the question is, so hey, is there anything in the kitchen that we can use which is effective, safe, and a great alternative?
Okay, let's get into it. What do you have over there?
Over there, over there.
Some good stuff.
Yes, yes.
It does look like it could come from my kitchen.
I think so, all of it. So right at the outset I will say, if you're watching this on YouTube, then take a moment and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and if on Facebook, then tell us in comments below, how are we doing and what would you like us to do more of, less of?
Yeah, I mean, we're here for them, right? So we want to know, what do you guys want us to cover? What DIYs do you want us to do? What skin problems are you having? What hair problems you're having? Because that's what we want to do. And finally, Sheetal, sugar is good for something.
Now, why powdered brown sugar? Because it's a great source of this naturally occurring glycolic acid, which has skin exfoliating properties. So when you're exfoliating your skin on a routine basis, then you can expect those dark spots, hyperpigmentation, unevenness, discoloration to fade in appearance in time. So brown sugar, we get back into the remedy, 1 tablespoonful of it. And to this, we are going to add haldi, or turmeric powder.
Or turmeric.
Turmeric. For you it's turmeric.
I don't know what it is.
Turmeric.
I just call it haldi.
Haldi, turmeric, only 1/8 teaspoon. And now 1/8 teaspoonful of baking soda. Baking soda reacts or interacts with the oils on your skin, and this process in chemistry is called saponification, where then it turns the oils into soap.
What did you say? Saponification?
Saponification.
I love that you're such a nerd.
Oh,
I do. I learned so much from you. I mean that in the best possible way.
Oh, Nikki. I love you too.
Okay.
Alright. So ingredient number last is rose water. Enough rose water until all of the brown sugar has dissolved into the mix. If you have an Apsara toner, then of course use that. Otherwise rose water will do. So enough rose water then to make a paste that is runny. Alright, this is pretty ready.
I will do the honors. Just gonna dab a little bit here and you can. I love this. I just don't do a good job, I think. This is why.
Well, what's a friend for?
Exactly. It feels lovely, and the fact that I don't have to do it and you're doing it feels even better.
I know, right? What are friends for?
So
for this one, get your best friend and have them dab it on you. Alright, job done. And Nikki has this face mask on her lovely stunning face, and it's going to remain there for about 12 to 15 minutes.
And how many times a week do we do this?
1 to 2 times a week, no more than that. And once you wash it off with lukewarm water, never ever forget. Never
ever
have a daily skincare routine. Use a toner, serum and lotion meant for your unique skin type. That's not optional.
Okay, fantastic. So Sheetal, what do you guys have at Apsara Skincare that would help with hyperpigmentation, discoloration,
There are several products, but let me pick one for this video, and that is Apsara's Rosehip and Citrus nightly serum. It's a very popular serum, a lot of people using it, of course. It has citrus oils and just so many different natural ingredients that can naturally help fade the appearance of dark spots, discoloration, unevenness.
Thank you.
Without using
Appreciate it.
any harsh chemicals at all. So check it out at apsaraskincare.com. I hope you love this remedy and that you're going to use it, and tell us in comments below what you thought and what you would like our next video to be about.
Yes, or if you have a podcast idea, share that with us. Please like the Facebook page and the videos, and please, if you love this video, share it with your friends and your family.
Up until the next time, take care, go natural, it is good karma.
Peace.